all the formulas. So these are the formulas useful to you actually from your syllabus. These are the algebraic identity. Okay, so algebraic identity. See here, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this can be written as minus a minus b whole square also. Minus a minus b whole square also will give you this one, and this can also be written in another way. Yesterday we have discussed a minus b whole square minus 4ab. A minus b whole square minus 4ab also you can write. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second one is a minus b whole square. This a square minus 2ab plus b square. This can also be written as b minus a whole square also you can write. Or you can write it as again a plus b whole square. Sorry. A minus b whole square है ना? Okay. A plus b whole square. Sorry, here plus 4ab होगा. Here plus 4ab. A minus b whole square plus 4ab. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. So do remember this one. The next identity is a plus b into a minus b, or a minus b into a plus b. Here also in the yesterday's quiz, some conclusions made confusion that this can be written as a minus b into b plus a also. A minus b into b plus a also you can write. A minus b into b plus a. Or a minus b into a plus b also. Both are equal, same only, because what I did here, a plus b can be written as b plus a. A plus b can be written as b plus a. Next, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. So these remaining are by changing the sign change हो गया है. इधर very simple, plus का place में minus आ गया ना, दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the place of the plus, here minus आ गया. So c, wherever c is there, there minus you have to take. इधर c है. So either minus c whole square will become plus c square. Minus c whole square will become plus c square. So इधर c नहीं है as it is है. इधर एक c है. So ये minus c बोले तो ये minus हो जाएगा. इधर भी minus हो जाएगा. So like that, these 5th one, 6th one, 7th one, 8th one are similar to the 4th one. Next, a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. If you expand this one, you will get it as usually like this. You have a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Next, a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. This can also be written as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equals to, okay, a cube plus b cube if you take a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. A plus b whole cube, or a plus b into, here you, most of you remember in the yesterday's quiz, a plus b, Anish said that here minus 2ab said. That is a one small mistake. And here he said plus 2ab. Okay. So then after a cube plus b cube, actually this 13th identity is deleted from your syllabus this year. इस साल ये आइडेंटिटी को डिलीट कर दिया है. सिलेबस थोड़ा कम कर लिया ना, उसमें से ये आइडेंटिटी को डिलीट कर दिया है. बट आल्सो यू कैन लर्न इट. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So this is the thing. And if a plus b plus c is equal, this is very, very useful identity. Last one, if a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. This is very much useful identity, because it is how you get means a 0 ho hai. A plus b plus c 0. 0 into something 0 ho jayega. Then what do you get? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to 0 ho jayega. So minus 3abc को right side लेके जाओ. Then what do you get here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. So like this we are going to get it. Did you get my point? And along with this, still more, actually yesterday Bismita said still two more identities. She said one identity. She said actually x plus a into x plus b होता है. So this can be written as x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. But here she said ab square. She said here ab square. So everything was good. What she said, I have seen the recorded video. Okay, Bismita, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इधर आपने ए बी स्क्वायर बोला है. कोई नहीं, कभी कभी हो जाते हैं. ओके, लेट अस गो फॉर द एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम्स. हम लोग एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम्स देखते हैं. So now here let us close this one. So what are the questions given to you in your textbook? Once you see that, here the question is given to you. Use the suitable identity. Use the suitable identity to find the following products. Okay. So exercise 2.5. The solutions one by one you see here. So first one, x plus 4 into x plus 10. This one here to use x plus 4 into x plus 10 use करना है. तो this is like x plus a into x plus b, what yesterday Bismita said. Previously we have not discussed that one. X square into a plus b into x plus ab. ये आइडेंटिटी, हर बार आइडेंटिटी को लिखना है, किधर क्या आइडेंटिटी यूज कर रहे हैं उस आइडेंटिटी को यूज करना है, लिखना है. नाउ हियर यू राइट x plus 4 into x plus 10 will be equals to x square plus a का प्लेस में 4 है, b का प्लेस में 10 है. तो 4 plus 10 into x, 4 into 10. दिखाई दे रहा है ना? इज इट विजिबल टू यू?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
सर मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
तो सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम. तो 14x plus 40. So this is the solution. Means आइडेंटिटी यूज करके प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट कर दिया. इट इज नॉट कॉल्ड एज अ सॉल्यूशन. इट इज यूजिंग द आइडेंटिटी, एक्सप्रेसिंग द गिवन expression in another way. That's all. So second one, if you see that, what is the question given here?
Sir?
X plus 8. Yes.
सर हमें सॉल्यूशन करने के साथ साथ आइडेंटिटी भी लिखना पड़ेगा ना?
पक्का लिखना है बेटा.
Okay,
हर एक प्रॉब्लम में क्या आइडेंटिटी आप यूज कर रहे हैं, which identity you are using, that's where you need to write. See, I have written like that. Wherever it is I am doing the solution, there I will write. Wherever I am using the solution, there I will write the identity. Identity को use करना पड़ेगा. And here if you see that this is in the similar way, but in the place of the b you are having minus 10. Same problem. If you see the second problem, here it is given to you x plus 8 into x minus 10 दे दिया. तो सेम आइडेंटिटी है. x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. b in the place of the b, what is you are having?
minus 10.
Very good. Minus 10. Minus 10 is there. So that you need to keep in your mind. So then x plus 8 into x plus minus 10. So b place में minus 10 लेना है. 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. So what do you get here? This is equals to x square minus 2x minus 80. So this is the expression. This expression, if you factorize, you see here factorization you learned in the previous classes. This expression, this polynomial, if you factorize, इसको factorize कैसे करना है सीख लिया है. ये आ जाएगा आपको. और इसको yes,
सर मिडिल टर्म करना है इसको.
Into minus 10.
सर
what?
सर इसको मिडिल टर्म फैक्टर से फैक्टराइज करना है ना.
मिडिल टर्म
फैक्टर मिडिल टर्म फैक्टराइज करना है.
हाँ नॉर्मली मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. ये पॉलिनोमियल है, इसको फैक्टराइज कर लिया तो ये आ जाएगा आपको. अब इसको प्लेन से फ्रेंड कर लिया तो ये पॉलिनोमियल आ गया. ओके, समझ में?
Sir, you have written here that 8x into minus 10 in the last. Yes. but the solution is minus 60.
Yes, 8 into minus 10 what?
Sir, 8x.
x नॉट बेटा इंटू है ये इंटू है
Oh, okay.
ये x किधर से आया बोलो कुछ you tell me from where you got x in the middle somewhere else.
But the bracket shows into now, that's why, sir.
Bracket shows into only, but if you write like this, some of the students may get confused. That's why I wrote like this. See here, x, whenever I write I will write like this. Usually, not only me, everyone have to write like that. ये into symbol. There is a difference between these two things. This is x. This is x. This is x. This is into symbol. So do remember, that doesn't matter. Next one, third one is what here? 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. The third question is, third question is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Okay, so this is a question given to you. So now what you have to use here, identity. This identity is directly you are not having, but you can create the identity here. Identity is not given to you directly. In your textbook it is, suppose if you see that this is a textbook to you, your textbook. So identities, if you observe that, so what are the identities are given to you, you see here in your textbook. देखो, identity 1 is x square plus y square, x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, x square minus y square, x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is given as a fourth identity. Then after, if you go for that fifth identity in your textbook, whatever it is given to you, this x plus y plus z whole square. Next, sixth identity is given to you, x plus y whole cube. And seventh identity is given to you, x minus y whole cube. And eighth identity is given to you, yes, it is one, x plus y plus z whole cube. So now here actually this identity is not appearing to you exactly. Is it there? There. This is similar to the identity x plus a into x plus b only again. But x place में 3a है. In the place of x you are having 3a. So whenever it is there, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Most of you may get confused, this identity is not given. No, x place में you are having 3x. So you can write this one as a 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So you are having x is replaced by 3x, x is replaced by 3x, a is replaced by 4, x is replaced by 3x, b is replaced by minus 5. So right side also you have to do the same thing. X place में 3x लिखना है. ये वो a what is it? A क्या है? 4. So 4 minus 5 into x. 4 minus 5 into x plus 4 into minus 5. Okay, as she said that, let us write like this one. Doesn't matter. So now you will get it as a 9x square minus x minus 20. So this is the product. वो product find out कर लिया तो you got right. Now this one if you see that, yes.
Sir, can we write this identity as a plus b into a minus b?
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. A plus b into a minus b, she said. But to have that one, you need to have these two same ना. ये मान लो, ये plus b है, b बोल रहे हैं, तो ये भी b है. b बोलो तो same number होना है ना, same number नहीं है ना इधर.
Yes, sir.
That is same number. Suppose you see the fourth question. As per you asked that fourth question, you can choose. ये दोनों same है, ये दोनों same है. बीच में plus minus symbol है. Then you can say that here that identity can be used. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 if you are taking into consider. This can be taken as a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus c square. So in the place of here you write y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 is equal to y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So y square whole square will become y power y square whole square will become y square whole square क्या होगा?
Y to the power 4.
Y to the power. Please, you talk a little bit with a low voice, beta, because I kept the headset, so your voice is coming very high pitch. Okay, whenever you answer, because not previously like, whenever you answer, please with a low voice you answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, minus 9 by 4. हो गया ना? समझ में आया? समझ में आया ना? Do you have any doubt on that problem? No? Is it audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now fifth problem is a minus b into a plus b. A भी a minus b into a plus b. A का place में 3 ले लो, b का place में 2x ले लो. So you can do that one. And second problem, if you see that, evaluate the following products using the without multiplying directly. मैं complete problem नहीं बोलता हूँ, आपको hint देके छोड़ देता हूँ. I will give the hint only to you. How do we? I will not give the hint. I will extract the hint from you only. आपसे hint में extract करता हूँ. First one देखो. First question is what? 103 into 107. So how can you write this one in any one of the identity form? इसे identity का form में लिखना है. How can you write?
100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7.
100 plus 3 into 100.
Sir,
हाँ.
x plus a into x plus b.
Yeah, that's all. First you write this one in the form of this can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. So this can be written as, you are having an identity here, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b. How you need to do it, the solution in your notebook, I am writing here now completely. Like that identity, इस step के बाद identity use कर रहे हैं, तो वो identity उधर लिखना. This is a way of presenting. See, हम लोग normally you think here, whenever we go outside to the any function or somewhere else, we will get ready. पाउडर डालते हैं, वो करते हैं, मिरर के सामने जाके देखते हैं, हेयर स्टाइल कैसे है देखते हैं, ये सब कुछ करते हैं. So when you are presenting your paper on an exam also, you should present in such a way that whenever it is by the any examiner, not only your teacher, any examiner, you habituate from now onwards. अभी से आप लोग सीखना है, वो देख के अरे इतना जबरदस्ती लिखा है ये, अच्छा पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. आपका सॉल्यूशन देख के, वो देख के ही उनको समझ में नहीं आना है, समझ में आना है. बिकॉज नो नीड ऑफ एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन. Without any explanation, directly they should understand your solution by seeing that. In that way, you need to present. Again, they should not get any doubt. So do remember that point. Okay. So now here, in the place of x, you are having this one here. So this one we need to write. So 100 square plus what do we get?
3 plus 7.
3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 into 100. Plus 3 into 7. So 100 square is equals to 10,000. This is 10,000. Plus 3 plus 7, 21. 2100 plus 21. So which is equals to 12,000.
Sir, 3 plus 7 is 10.
Oh, sorry. Okay. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 into 100,000. So ये 10,000 है, ये 1,000 and this is 21. So 10,000, 1,000, 11,000. 11,021 is the answer for that. So if you see the second one, 95 into 96, ये 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4, 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4, 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4 if you are taking.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can we 5 into 90 plus 6?
I can't hear you. ओहो ओके ओके समझ
Sir,
में आया आपका क्वेश्चन ओके ओके आई अंडरस्टूड दैट can't we write this as a 90 plus 5 plus 90 plus 6 is your doubt very good you can write but our intention is what here to make the 90 square if you want to do again 9 square क्या है सोचना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा 81 होगा वो आंसर तो सही आ जाएगा रॉन्ग नहीं है बट हियर बेटर 100 स्क्वायर करना इजी है और 90 स्क्वायर करना इजी है वो बोलो 100 स्क्वायर ऑब्वियसली so better we write like that suppose if you write it's not wrong 95 into 96 आप लिखना है 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6 लिख दिया है तो भी सही आंसर आएगा मैं दिखा दूंगा देखो ये 90 स्क्वायर है प्लस 5 plus 6 into 90 है प्लस 5 plus 6 है 90 square is nothing but 8100 plus 6 plus 5 is 11 11 into 11 into 11 9 is 99 990 plus 6 5 is 30 तो देखो ये एडिशन देखो थोड़ा सा कम सोचना पड़ता है इतना इजी नहीं है तो 8100 प्लस 900 तो 800 100 इधर ऐड करते हो तो 1000 सो इफ यू ऐड दिस टू व्हाट डू यू गेट compulsory some of the students may require to add these all ये सबको ऐड करने के लिए some of the students may require some they need rough calculation जरूरत पड़ता है so that's why here what to do here better okay you will get the answer what do you get the answer 8100 990 30 ऐसा करते हैं कुछ बच 9 plus 3 12 10 11 9120 the same problem can be written as 95 into 96 को 100 minus 4 into 100 minus 5 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4 ले लो is it visible to you थोड़ा blue color
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay this is equals to 100 square 100 square what do you get can you tell actually
sir,
plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4 x ये प्लेस में -5 है बी प्लेस में -4 है in the place of a you are having -5 in the place of the b you are having the -4 so actually you will get it as a 100 square if you take like this 10,000 yes what do you get here -5 -4 -9 -900 plus 5 4 is 20 1000 से 10,000 से 900 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो 9100 तो 9100 को 20 ऐड करो 9120 दोनों सेम है गलत नहीं है यू कैन डू इन द बोथ द वेज
सर साउंड नहीं आ रहा है आपका।
सर कहाँ चले
Is
गए?
it visible and audible to you? I think. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
सर
Can you hear me?
यस
Yes,
सर
sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. Now see here. This one is very simple here. Okay. 3x square. This is in the form of the a plus b plus a plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form of a square plus 2
Sir, the board is blurred.
a plus b whole square. So now this can be written as 3x plus y whole square. 3x plus y whole square. So because in the place of a you are having 3x, in the place of b you are having y. So like that, if you see that the remaining problems also you can do it. The fourth bit problem I will explain to you. Please try to keep the textbook in front of you. It is not always possible for you to show the that through the video like this here. Okay. So now here you will see
Sir, your
the
voice
next
is low,
question is
sir.
given to you. Fourth bit, expand using the suitable identity. Expand using the suitable identity. So the fourth bit problem. The problem in that I am going to choose the fifth one, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. Minus 2x, okay, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. This is the question given to you. Okay, so this you have to write by using the a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square. When you do it, I think you can do it this problem. Let us go for the some more difficult problems and different problems. This is, I think you can do it. Can you do it? सुनाई नहीं दे रहे.
Sir, board is blurred.
सर आपका आवाज सर बहुत लो है सर. सर, your voice is very low.
Board is blur. Board is blur. Yes, sir. Your voice is low. What can I do?
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा. वॉइस इज वेरी लो.
सर है ही नहीं. सर चले भी गए.
Can you hear? No. Can you hear now?
Sir, still, sir, your voice is
also
very.
audible.
यस सर
My voice is low.
Yes, sir. And video is now not coming.
So due to the signal problem only, I think so. Okay, you do one thing here. Let us see here. Let us wait for some time. So until this signal comes in a proper way.
सर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा सर बिल्कुल भी।
Can you, is it now? Okay. Not audible. Is it visible and audible now?
No, sir, not visible.
No sir. Sir, now it is visible.
Now it is okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
No, sir, it is blur.
Sir, little bit blur sir.
Yes, sir, blurs are not
Sir,
clear.
blur sir. Little bit.
It's not appearing to you.
No sir.
Plus 2ab
No, sir. And
plus
the
2b plus
sir, the
2ca.
screen is also not clear. Full blur, sir.
Sir, fully blur sir.
Totally blurred, sir.
Fully blur.
Okay.
सर चले गए क्या अभी?
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा।
तो फिर अभी क्लास करेंगे, कराएंगे क्या क्लास, या फिर सर भी लेफ्ट हो जाएंगे?
क्या पता।
नहीं तो रह के नेट नेट खराब करके फिर तो
हाँ ये तो सही बात बोल रहा है। वो हिंदी क्लास हुआ था क्या? हिंदी या फिर एसएसटी में क्या था? उज्जवल,
हाँ
हिंदी क्लास हुआ था क्या भाई? हिंदी
हुआ था तो।
हुआ था।
हाँ
एहसान फरामोश, मैं तेरे को क्लास शुरू होने के समय मैं तेरे को मैसेज भेजता हूँ, तू मेरे को क्यों नहीं भेजता बे?
अरे मैं गाड़ी में था।
दोस्त के नाम में कलंक है तू, कलंक।